Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I am going to be showing you how you can check if your string is a valid number using Python. So what do I mean by a valid number? Well, we're going to be covering integers, but also we're going to be covering decimal numbers. So that could be a floating point or a double. So let's get into it. Make sure you do import re at the top of your code because we'll be needing it to use regexes. So we can do def is underscore valid underscore number, and then we can do s. So we're going to define a function. This will be the name, and s is going to be the string that we want to check if it's a valid number or not. And then we're going to do pattern equals this little string. It will be in the description below for you to copy and paste. And then we can do return bool r.match pattern and s. So you might be thinking, Max, what are we doing? Well, basically, we're going to be using a regex pattern, which is a set of rules for a string, and we can check if the string matches the set of rules. If it does, it's valid. If it doesn't, it's invalid. So what I've done is, I've done a bunch of print statements. So I've done print is underscore valid underscore number, then I've put in a string for a number. And basically, this returns a true or false, and we're going to just test our function on a bunch of different numbers. And I've also put in comments what the expected outcome is. But basically, let's save our work and hit play. And we've got some trues and falses. Let's go through them quickly. 123 is a valid number, minus 123 is a valid number, 123.45 is a valid number, minus 123.45 is a valid number. 0123 is not valid because there's a 0 before the other digits. Plus 123 is invalid because there's a plus symbol. Minus 123.0.1 is invalid because it's got more than one decimal point. And 0.123 is invalid because the decimal point doesn't have a number before it. So, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching.